Hello YouTubers, GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair here with another video how to replace a blower motor in a Honda Accord. This is a 2004. Customer stated every now and then the blower motor doesn't work, and while driving over bumps or on the road randomly start working again. So that tells the electrical component here is not making a good connection. Usually that's the telltale. And after we tested, the air was coming through the vent. After the cabin filter was replaced, it was very weak. So we're going to go ahead and replace that motor. Please like, subscribe to the channel. That's the best way for you to tell us that you like our videos and keep us motivated to keep creating more videos for you guys. So first thing, you're gonna pull this tab, comes off, pull towards you, and it's right there. So the blower motor is a connector, and there's 3 bolts right there. Okay, so it's 1 right here, 2, and the third one is way over here. So you can use a flat screwdriver to remove them. That's what I'm gonna do. But first of all, you can just press that tab over there and disconnect that one. And I'm gonna remove those 3 bolts, and I will remove it. I'll be right back. All right, after you remove the 3 bolts right there, that blower motor is just gonna drop down. You can move it away, and you're just gonna put the new one. All right, so let's get it back in place. So this is going to be here. This only goes one way. It's gonna snap right there. So now you can put the first bolt so that you can just hold it in place. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, after you reinstall the 3 bolts, now you can just go ahead and plug that connector back in and test it. Make sure everything is going to work the way it's supposed to. All right, it's nice and quiet, the way it's supposed to. All right, I hope you like this video. It's nothing too exciting, but you know, sometimes a little thing can go a long way. Again, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and have a great day. Do your best, forget the rest, and God bless you. Later.